NASA is preparing for the launch of Artemis 1 on Monday. The US Space Agency hopes the mission will take America into the next generation of space exploration.
NASA is about to make history with this first flight of the Artemis program.
NASA taking its next giant leap to put Americans back on the moon. The massive 322-foot-tall spacecraft, consisting of the Space Launch System rocket and Orion crew capsule, is currently sitting on the launch pad at NASA's Kennedy Space Center in Florida, waiting for liftoff on Monday as part of the agency's Artemis 1 program.
This new deep space exploration system is going to take us back to the moon and to new science discoveries that we can't even imagine yet.
The out-of-this-world mission will send the unmanned craft on a 6-week test flight around the moon and back to Earth, putting the $37 billion mega rocket through rigorous stress tests in preparation for a future lunar landing.
We want to make sure that it works absolutely perfectly when we do that and that we understand all the risks. We're going to learn a lot from this test flight.
This test flight is just one small step. If successful, Artemis 2 will send astronauts on the space flight within 2 years. The goal of Artemis 3 is to put Americans back on the moon as early as 2025, more than 50 years after the original Apollo landing. The agency ultimately hoping to set up a lunar base to help future missions to Mars.
We want to stay on the lunar surface and know how we're going to go to Mars.
The 240,000-mile flight to the moon is expected to take about a week. If successful, the capsule will splash down in the Pacific at the end of the mission.